Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 13. In last video number 12, I already explained exercise question from 1 to 11. And in this video number 13, I will be explain exercise question from 12 to 20 of this chapter. So let us start. Question number 12. You are given benzene, concentrated H2SO4 and NaOH. Three reactant are given. So first step, benzene react with concentrated H2SO4. So question is, write the equation for the preparation of phenol using these reagents. So benzene react with first step concentrated H2SO4. So react with sulfuric acid, that is means this is process is sulfonation. So in which H2SO4 SO3H attach with benzene. So and removal a hydrogen with oxygen and one hydrogen, water isolate and SO3H attach. Then second step, NaOH attach from benzene sulfonic acid. So here H hydrogen SO3 and NaOH. So this H and SO3 isolate and ONA attach with benzene. So sodium phenoxide are formed. In the last way, dilute HCl we have to use. So Na replaced by hydrogen. So H attach at the place of Na. So phenol are formed. And this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, question number 13. Show how will you synthesize. Question number first, 1-phenyl ethanol from suitable alkene. So that is means we take alkene and formation 1-phenyl ethanol. So first draw the structure 1-phenyl ethanol. So ethanol, that is means 1 and 2 carbon and OH attached with first number. 1-phenyl, that is means first number carbon attached phenyl group. So it is 1-phenyl ethanol. So this is formed by alkene. So according to this 2 carbon, we take alkene, double bond between the carbon, and 1-phenyl. So attach 1 carbon phenyl. So react with water. So react with water. So hydrogen delta negative, delta positive, and OH delta negative. So OH attach with this carbon and hydrogen attach with this carbon. So CH, OH and CH2 attach with hydrogen, CH3. So 1-phenyl ethanol. Next, second is cyclohexyl methanol. Cyclohexyl, that is cyclohexyl methanol, 1 carbon attached with OH using an alkyl halide. So we take alkyl halide, but according to this product. So cyclohexyl, 1 carbon CH2, and in the place of alkyl halide, so we take Br, any of halide. So like we take Br, so CH2 Br. So by an SN2 reaction, so this is Br replaced by OH. So we take NaOH. SN2 reaction, hydrolysis. So Na react with Br, NaBr isolate, OH attached with CH2. So this is form is cyclohexyl methanol. Next, third is pentane 1-ol. Pentane 1-ol, that is means CH3, CH2, OH, and we take alkyl halide. So we take pentanol as at the place of OH. In the reactant we take Br. React with NaOH, SN2 reaction, hydrolysis, NaBr isolate, and OH attach. So this is question. In this question, show how will you synthesize. So first you see product. You draw product structure, and according to the product you write reactant. Then Question number 14th. Give two reactions that show the acidic nature of phenol. Compare acidity of phenol with that of ethanol. So, acidic nature of phenol and represent the acidity of phenol. So, one side you take phenol represent acidic nature due to the remove H plus ion. So, represent two types of reaction. Whenever react with sodium and whenever react with NaOH. React with Na. So this is Na attached with oxygen at the place of hydrogen. So Na attached sodium phenoxide form, and this hydrogen removes so as a hydrogen gas. So that is means removal of H plus ion, acidic nature. Second reaction, react with NaOH. So again this hydrogen replace. So Na attached. So it is acidic nature. Next question is for 15th number. But first I explain, compare acidity of phenol and ethanol. Why phenol represent acidic nature? So due to its acidic nature, due to the resonance. Reason C, whenever H plus remove, so 3 electron pair on oxygen negative charge. So this is at the oxygen electron density increase, so electron given to the benzene, and whenever given to the electron of benzene, see electrons are going towards forward. So forward going ortho position, so negative charge appear at ortho. Again double bond electron forward, so para position electron density increase. Next bond again forward, so ortho position electron density increase, and these electrons going to the again towards oxygen, so negative charge again appear at oxygen. So that is means ortho and para position electron density increase whenever removal of hydrogen ion. So that is means this phenoxide ion will obtain stability due to the resonance. But ethanol C2H5OH, whenever H plus remove, so alkoxide ion, ethoxide ion form, but it is unstable. Next question is, explain why is orthonitrophenol more acidic than orthomethoxyphenol. So see, orthonitrophenol, ortho position nitro and OH attached with benzene, phenol. So more acidic, that is means easily remove H plus ion. See, this is NO2 group, we write open structure and double bond O, covalent bond oxygen, coordinated bond oxygen. So double bond electron going towards oxygen, so nitrogen unstable, so accept backside electron. So here oxygen given its electron, so double bond electron represent O negative, nitrogen given its electron, so positive charge appear, backside electron taken, so double bond, and oxygen given its electron, so double bond here appear, and oxygen given its electron, so positive charge appear at oxygen. So this is NO2 group capture electron from backsides, so in which nitro group electron density decrease due to the effect of minus R and minus I in OH bond. R resonance effect and I inductive effect. So easily remove H plus ion. Minus I effect, C, NO2 group attract electron from benzene and benzene attract electron from oxygen. So it is minus I effect, inductive effect, and this is minus R. So orthonitrophenol stabilized by resonance due to remove H plus ion, convert into the phenoxide ion. So it is more acidic. When see orthomethoxyphenol, that is means orthomethoxy, that is means OCH3 group attached. So oxygen 2 lone pair present at oxygen. So this is benzene accept electron from methoxyoxygen, not from oxygen of OH. So methoxyoxygen accept electrons, so double bond appear from this side. So then after double bond electron going towards to oxygen. So backside forward gone towards to OH. See here double bond appear because accept electron from oxygen and double bond electron going to this position, so negative charge. Then after upside oxygen again given its electron density. So that is means here instability create. So and this is effect plus R. So electron density increase due to the effect of plus R in OH bond. Here OH bond electron density decrease, and here electron density increase. But in nitrophenol minus IR effect and here plus R effect. So it is less acidic. So orthonitrophenol more acidic than orthomethoxyphenol. Next question number 16. Explain how does the OH group attached to a carbon of benzene ring activate it towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So same answer, same concept follow in this question. How does the OH group attach to the carbon of a benzene ring? So activate it towards electrophilic substitution. That is means OH represents resonating reaction. So resonating reaction structures. So OH, see electron density due to the resonance, ortho and para position electron density increase. So ortho and para position electron density increase. So benzene ring activate towards to electrophilic substitution reaction. That is means any electrophilic substitution electrophile attack at ortho and para position. So OH group attached to a carbon of benzene ring activate it towards electrophilic substitution due to its resonating structure. So resonating structure same, electron density given to the electron given to benzene ring by oxygen. Then after bond forward, so ortho and para position electron density increase. Next question is 17th. Give equation of the following reaction. First is C, oxidation of propane 1-ol with alkaline KMnO4 solution. So first C, propane 1-ol. We take propane 1-ol, CH3, CH2, CH2, 3 propane 1-ol. So oxidation by KMnO4. Alkaline, that is means base. So 2 oxygen attach and this water isolate. So 2 oxygen attach, so COOH. H2 isolate and 1, 2, 3 propane and OH acid, propanoic acid. Then bromine in carbon disulfide with phenol. That is means phenol we take bromine Br2 in carbon disulfide. So bromination. So one time attach ortho position and one time attach para position. So product is orthobromophenol or second is para bromophenol. Second is dilute HNO3 with phenol. So phenol we take in the presence of dilute HNO3. So in this electrophile NO2 group, so one time attach at ortho and one time attach with para. So orthonitrophenol and second is para nitrophenol. Fourth is treating phenol with chloroform. So phenol we take chloroform CHCl3 in the presence of NaOH. 343 Kelvin. So this is the naming reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So CHCl3, which group? CH attached with oxygen at ortho position CHO and Na replaced by hydrogen sodium phenoxide. So in the presence of acid H plus ion, so CHO aldehyde at group at ortho position and Na replaced by H. So its name is, whenever CHO ortho position OH attached with benzene, so its name is salicylaldehyde. Question is 18th number. Explain with example Kolbe reaction, Reimer-Tiemann, Williamson synthesis and unsymmetrical ether. It is naming reaction and I already explained in between chapter. Next is question number 18th. Question number 19th. Write the mechanism of acid dehydration of ethanol to yield ethene. So first step we take ethanol CH3 CH2 OH acid dehydration, that is means followed by H plus ion. So oxygen 2 lone pair, given its electron to hydrogen accept hydrogen. So given its electrons to hydrogen, so positive charge create at oxygen and hydrogen attach. So positive charge at oxygen, so protonated, and alcohol, so protonated alcohol. Also we have to say 2 carbon ethyl oxonium ion. This protonated alcohol represents slow step and H2O isolate. This bond is break, water isolate, and positive charge create at carbon. So CH3 CH2 plus. So it is ethyl cationic, ethyl carbocation. This is the rate determining step. What is the rate determining step? Those reaction which represent rate, so it is known as rate determining step, and it is slow step. This is carbocation. In third step, rearrangement. So this carbon accept hydrogen to this carbon, so double bond create, and 2 hydrogen this carbon and 2 hydrogen this carbon, ethene are formed. So this is the mechanism of acid dehydration of ethanol. Next is 20. How are the following conversion carried out? First is propene convert into the propane to what? So you practice from my notes, then this reaction conversion you see, because first you see propene CH3 CH double bond CH2, and product given propane to all, 1 2 3 propane to all. So you form this compound from this reactant. So you learn reaction, which reaction follow in our chapter. So whenever propene react with H2SO4, any alkene react with H2SO4, so OSO3H, see double bond carbon, this carbon and this carbon, so H2SO4 H plus and SO3H minus. So SO3H minus attach OSO3H. So this attack with less number of carbon atom, and H plus attack this CH2. So CH3 CHOSO3H CH3. See, its name is 2 methyl group attached with carbon, 2 methyl group, so iso 3 carbon propyl, and its name is hydrogen sulfate. So again next step react with H2O, so this bond is break, so H attach with oxygen and SO3 react with hydrogen H2SO4 form. So OH attach with carbon, so propane to all form. Next is benzyl chloride. As a reactant we take benzyl, that is means CH2 attached with benzene Cl chloride. So product is benzyl alcohol, CH2 attached with benzene OH. So react with NaOH aqueous, so NaCl isolate OH attached with benzyl. So form is benzyl alcohol. Third question is ethyl magnesium chloride convert into the propane 1-ol. So ethyl 2 carbon magnesium Mg chloride Cl. So convert into the propane 1-ol. So we take ketone aldehyde, HCHO aldehyde, carbon delta positive and oxygen negative, and in this alkyl magnesium chloride magnesium positive and carbon negative. So magnesium to attack at oxygen and negative attack at positive. So CH3 CH2 attach with carbon, so CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 attach with oxygen Cl. Then in the presence of H plus H2O, so CH3 OH, this bond is break, so OH will attach with this bond CH3 CH2 CH2 OH and MgClOH. Then fourth question is CH3CO CH3 double bond O propanone convert into the 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl, that is means propane 1 2 3, second number methyl group CH3 and OH ol. So first we react with this Grignard reagent. First see here 1 2 3 4 carbon, and here propanone 1 2 3. So if we take Grignard reagent RMgX, so we required only one carbon at the place of R. So CH3, so double bond carbon, this is delta positive and this is delta negative. And in the Grignard reagent magnesium electropositive, so this carbon electronegative. So negative attack at carbon, so CH3C, CH3C, CH3, and CH3 attach this carbon CH3, and this electropositive MgBr attach at oxygen. Then after hydrolysis of this, so this is MgBrO break this bond, one side OH attach and one side H. So OH attach this carbon and MgBr replaced by OH. So CH3C, CH3, CH3, OH. So second number 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So this is the conversions, and in board exams maximum question according to this follow. So in this video I explained 12 to 20 question and remaining question 21 to 33 in next video. Thank you.